brief tutorial on how to switch a Blogger account from ps10.org to an external account. First thing you have to do is sign into your ps10.org account. So I'm signing in as my demo student. You'll notice it says demo student, ps10.org. Type in my password. So I'm here at Google. I see my username up here in the corner. I can click on the little array. I don't see Blogger in this initial list, so I just click more, and there it is. It's right down there. I click Blogger, and it's going to launch. It's going to take a second, and I'm going to see my blogs. Right here, I have my portfolio blog, so I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me into my overview and have all my settings over here on the left. So I'm actually going to go down to the settings menu, and there's my permissions. It's just under your basic settings, blog authors. I'm going to add an author. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in my external account, or in this case, tech@ps10.org. You would type in a Google account, yours, your parents, whomever's, and you'll invite the author. Now, you need to invite an account that you have access to that inbox, because then you're going to open up a new browser. You're going to sign in as that other account. It might be yours. It might be your parents' account. You'll sign in, and when you check your email in this other account, remember, this is not a ps10.org account. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. You'll see in that inbox that there's an invitation from your blog to your Gmail or your parents' Gmail account. You're going to accept this invitation. When you do, it's going to open it up. You're going to sign in. It's basically going to want you just to sign in to this account again. Now remember, you're going to type in your password. So if this is your personal Gmail account, you'll do that password. If it's your parents' account, they'll be with you. And when you log in, again, it'll take a second to load. You're going to accept this invitation. Once you accept it, you are going to be an author of this blog. Just by accepting the invitation does not mean you now own it. So now, if you've never used Blogger before on this external account, you have to choose a profile. I like just a generic Blogger one because it's not associated with anything else. Display name is your first name or your nickname or whatever you and your parents are comfortable with. So now you see on this new account, you have access to that portfolio. But you notice there's a lot fewer options for you. There's almost nothing in settings. You can basically just post and that's it, because you are not the owner of the blog. You're now an author. So we're going to minimize that. We're going to go back to your PS10 account and we're going to refresh it. And when we reload this page, you're going to notice that now this other account is not just invited, but is now an author. So we're going to change it to an admin or owner. And now I have two owners, two administrators of this blog. I can X myself out. I can delete myself on my PS10 account, or I can go back to my other external account, my new account that I've just added, click refresh, and then I can see now I have all my menu options, because now I am an administrator of this blog. Now I'm an owner of this blog. Then what I can do is I can come back into permissions and I can say, okay, I'm going to delete my PS10 account. And that's how you transfer your blog from your PS10 student account to an external Gmail account. Thank you.